Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Tuesday, May 14th, 2024. Lens Protocol introduces Lens Network, Dutch judges convict Alexey Pertsev, Safe Wallet launches native swaps, and Liquity releases its V2 whitepaper. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Harpy, an on-chain security solution for Ethereum-based wallets. Harpy helps you detect and prevent malicious transactions before they execute, safeguarding your assets from theft in real time. Secure your wallet for free at harpy.io/ETH daily. Lens Protocol, an open social graph platform, introduced Lens Network, an EVM-compatible Validium chain built on ZK Sync's ZK stack. The network will launch in 3 phases, transitioning from Validium to Volition. Phase 1 establishes the Validium chain. Phase 2 introduces separate public and private Validium chains using a data availability provider for public data and a self-secured data system for private transactions verified using ZK proofs. And Phase 3 introduces Volition mode for combined ZK rollup and Validium options for enhanced security and user control. Validium enables ultra-low-cost transactions with off-chain data availability, while Volition supports both on-chain and off-chain data availability at the transaction level. Lens Network will process financial transactions in ZK rollup mode and social transactions in Validium mode. A Lens Protocol proposal for Lens Network is currently up for community discussion. Alexey Pertsev, a developer who helped write open source code for Tornado Cash, was convicted of money laundering by Dutch judges and sentenced to 64 months in prison. Having already spent 8 months in jail while awaiting trial, the time will count towards his sentence. The court also seized Pertsev's personal car and crypto assets. The judges failed to understand the workings of immutable smart contracts on Ethereum and accused Pertsev of failing to prevent the tool's use in criminal activities. Eleanor Blank, an educator monitoring the trial, noted that the judge fully agreed with the prosecution. Even more baffling, the judge claimed Tornado Cash has no legitimate use. Safe, the leading smart contract wallet provider, launched native swaps, a new feature that allows users to swap tokens directly within their Safe wallet. The integration leverages COW Protocol's intent-based mechanism. The swapping experience offers users with MEV protection and human-readable transaction details. Native swaps are now live on Ethereum mainnet and Gnosis chain. An average of $450 million in swap volume is processed every month through Safe smart contract wallets. And lastly, collateral debt position-based borrowing protocol Liquity released its V2 whitepaper, unveiling a new iteration of the protocol that introduces support for multi-collateral positions. Users will be able to mint a new stablecoin called BOLD against various collateral types, including liquid staking tokens. The V2 release will also feature user-set interest rates, protocol-incentivized liquidity, and interest rate delegation. Liquity will continue to operate without governance. In other news, Aragon released its final Aragon 2-based release. Polymarket raised $45 million, and Optimism is offering superchain deployment rebates. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.